Hello everyone, my name is Martin Malaysia from Temasek Polytechnic. In this video, I'm going to introduce myself and share with you who I think is an effective speaker. After graduating from Ngee Ann Secondary School, I went to further my studies in Temasek Poly. The reason why I chose this course is that I have an aptitude for science and I'm keen to learn in depth about how natural science deals with the behavior and structure of living things. Moving on to who I think is an effective speaker, the one and only First Lady Michelle Obama. There are three reasons why I chose her. Firstly, she can communicate to influence people, which gets the attention of our audiences. Second reason, she can articulate well, which means she speaks fluently and coherently. The third and last reason, she's down to earth. Being sensible, practical and realistic makes her an excellent speaker. To summarize this video, I've introduced myself and shared with you three reasons why First Lady Michelle Obama is an effective speaker. She can communicate to influence people, she can articulate well, and lastly, she's down to earth. Thank you for listening.